OpenLegacy is an innovative way to close the gap or to integrate between existing legacy solutions and new digital platforms. Hi, my name is Gil Cohen, General Manager of OpenLegacy, EMEA, based in Geneva, originally from Israel. We are a platform to enable clients to generate APIs and microservices from a very complex backend systems. I mean, obviously in Europe, you want to be in Switzerland. This is where still a lot of the banks are here. You do have quite a lot of clients. All the large banks are present here, and if you can make it here, you can pretty much be anywhere in Europe. From the background point of view, yes, the technology and the innovation came from Israel. I think Israel is a great place where large enterprises, banks are very open for innovation, facing the same kind of complexity as the rest of the world, but very much open for new approaches and new ways to deal with existing challenges. It's an interesting question. We are competing with two main parts. One is all the middleware solution, enterprise service bus, the ESPs of this world, which are trying to solve today's challenges with 15, 20 years technology. So that's one part. The second part is every bank, insurance companies, large enterprises are building their own IT stuff. A lot of companies want to be able to build stuff on their own. I think OpenLegacy is uniquely positioned between the build and buy. So we enable the clients to really build their API, build the integration the way they want it, with all the codes open for them. But on the other end, also enable them to automate and standardize a lot of the connectivity to the backend systems. There is a lot of focus on business development, both working and getting into penetrate the market, being able to be disruptive and to enter a lot of the large accounts. We've already done it in the last 2 to 3 years. There was a big growth, but to keep that momentum and disturb that integration market. On the other end, we continue to improve our products. In the integration space, there are a lot of new technologies coming in and new ways of doing it. We want to stay on the cutting edge. We're coming out with a new digital designer version, which enables the enterprise architects and the developers to do things much simpler, but also graphically being able to represent it very well internally. So we are very excited to be part of that association, of the Swiss Association. And the most important thing is the exposure, to be able to get to the network, being able to present what we do, being able to demonstrate it, and show how we can add value. That's one thing. Second is we do a lot of our business using a lot of collaboration with either fintechs or banks, because at the end of the day, we are the glue between the legacy and the new cool technologies that are coming in. So we hopefully will build more and more partnerships and being able to create this ecosystem that will add value for all parties. There are a lot of fintech companies that we are collaborating with, which means that we know how to pre-integrate with them and enable them to quickly integrate with existing large clients, because again, always the integration is the most painful areas, and this is the one thing that we want to address and solve and show that it can be done much faster and much easier, and also in a very cost-effective way. So partnerships are definitely an important part of our business. In general, we have talked also to Temenos, but also to quite other core banking providers like Alnova from Accenture and a couple of others, FIS. So we're always open to collaborate with core banking or core insurance companies and enable them also to provide a better service to their clients. So we do have a number of OEM and ISV, independent service software vendors that we collaborate with, and happy to do so in the future. No, I think we are in the right space. I mean, everybody is feeling the pressure of doing things faster and in a more cost-effective way. I think the approach that we're taking to be able to show the value first and then looking for the long-term commitment is the right way forward. I always recommend to clients to test and learn and being able to see the value first before moving forward. So we're excited to be here. Thanks a lot for the opportunity, and looking forward to continue this.